my name is Stella and today I will discuss my role model. A role model is someone who we look up to or admire and often want to emulate in some way. Role models can be musicians, artists, and authors. My role model is author J.K. Rowling. There are two reasons support my opinion. First, J.K. Rowling wrote my favorite book, Harry Potter. Harry Potter book is so popular, so she has great ability to write famous books. I feel inspired very her because she succeeded and she writes fun books. Also, lots of my friends and children are love it. So I think many people are inspired because of her ability and passion. She infects lots of people with her passion and her work. I think J.K. Rowling does great job. Second, J.K. Rowling has enough ability to overcome obstacles. Harry Potter books make my dream job change too. I want to be an author after I read the Harry Potter books. However, I think J.K. Rowling gave interest to lots of people, so she is a great person. In conclusion, my role model is author J.K. Rowling because she wrote my favorite book, Harry Potter, and she has enough ability to overcome obstacles. Thank you for listening my presentation.